Thank you. Alright guys, our first ever stay at Circa. The bed looks huge. This ain't bad, eh Les?
No.
See, is there a view of anything? Oh, we got the pool.
Oh, that's awesome.
Very nice.
I was hoping for that.
Golden Nugget over there, I believe. That's what the plaza. But the pool view, very nice. I like that.
It's not very busy, is it?
What, the pool?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not the greatest weather out yet. I think it's high in 19 today. Here's a nice sitting area. Love the painting. Hey, Liz?
Yeah.
Got a big mirror here. Hey, guys. Penny's here.
That's a mess.
Saginaw's in-room delivery. What do you mean, the bed?
Tore apart. That's
Okay.
what I mean.
We got a stand-up shower. His and her sinks. And as Bobby G says, that's where the magic happens. Do not bring towels to the pool. Pool towels will be provided at the pool.
It's like this guy told me there was a fridge, but I found it.
You find the safe?
Yeah, it's in this cupboard. It's right here.
Okay.
Actually,
And
at eye level.
how is the air?
Oh, that's cool.
Is that not the air?
No. That's probably on the tablet, honey.
Here it is. We want to take that down, Liz. 64.
Wow, that's as far as it goes.
All right, guys, this is the room tour, and we'll see you in a little bit. Later, guys.